and what God.
Hi there, folks. What beautiful piece, huh? A few ripples. I got the sails up anyway. But yeah, doing about 2.5, 3 knots. Mostly the tide taking us out. But it's such beautiful, peaceful. I don't care. I'm just going to enjoy it. There's my proximity alarm going off. Okay. And so, yeah. It's just gorgeous. I love it. There's me. Just to give you a photo. Let you know it is actually me. Yeah. That's Connecticut. That other side, Long Island. Just can't quite see it from here. Anyway, yep.